I don't know, pick something. Probably not Ramstein. I mean, Ramstein's cool, but I don't know if I should continue with that. For now, I'll set it to, like, I don't know, something else. Not this. This song's neat. I'm gonna use it for volume testing. Oh, look an ad. Oh,
The wow is real, Afrin.
wow. I care. Alright. We're streaming though. We're streaming, which is pretty sick. Although, are we streaming? That's the real question. Gotta do this before every stream. And hey, look, there it is. So yeah, we are streaming, which is pretty neat, which means I can send this to some nerds. I can send this to, here, and also here. Alright. Pretty sick-a-roni. Actually, I'm gonna pause the music for a second so that I can go over my goals for today. Wait, I forgot to have the thing going. It scrolls through them. Whoops. There you go. Now they'll start scrolling. Now they'll actually be correct. Alright. I'm a bit jumbled. I'm a bit jumbled. Anyway, we've got a bit of stuff to do. So, let me show you the goals for today. Mainly, it is these two things. More multiplayer stuff and menus. I think I'm also gonna maybe do something else. I was looking at some stuff that I could do. Wait. This isn't the last one. Did it not save my fucking changes, or is that... Oh, no, it did. Okay. It just for some reason was displaying an outdated version of the file. You know, I'm not gonna question it. I'm not gonna question it. Anyway, these are the actual goals for today. I mean, the other one was right. It just didn't have this. It did not have that. Anyway, so more multiplayer stuff. Basically, still more multiplayer stuff. The new hand card is still broken somehow. We found that out last stream. That's pretty funny. I've also got to make it so you can't leave the game in the middle of it, or so that the game fixes it, like doesn't like cause the other person to be soft locked. Um, so that's what I got to do with. That's probably the main thing to do today is make it more stable. And then after that, I was thinking, wouldn't it be cool if I made some profile data? Currently, the only thing you can change is your player name. However, wouldn't it be cool if it stored stuff like stats, like your games played, games losses, cards played, whatever? Couldn't that be neat? That'd be neat. And then I could also make titles which you could display. You know, like Ox, the fart monger, or something like that. And then, you know, I'm still keeping this if I want to take a break, work on menus. There are definitely some stuff I can work on. Now, I actually have done a bit outside of streaming. Not too much, not too much that's relevant, at least. So if I go over to this game, I know it was started up, but I want to make sure this is a fresh thing. So, profile, last time, you know, we had this going. We can go like, poop, poop. There you go. PPOOOPP. Anyway, we got this now. This is something I threw together in like 2 minutes, but very basic credits menu, which basically just credits me and some people that have tested the game so far. Uh, to be fair, only really Dylan has tested it out right now, but I am gonna send a testing build over to these two nerds and have them, you know, help test it out. I did not want to credit this guy by his username because it's Osiris O'Hare. So that's cool. Yeah, so not basically it's the exact same as when we left, you know? I mean, aside from this credits menu, and I think there's like a few miscellaneous changes I made, like in multiplayer. I don't remember if I did. No, no, it's just broken now. It's like, no, fuck you. Object reference on 70. Must be this I forgot to set. Starter. Yeah, that's on me. Real quick, I can just disable the main. I really should keep it enabled, but go over to play menu 2. This is the one with the button. So then I just say that that is it. There you go. Sorry, that's just something that I don't remember if I added that away or not. but that should prevent you from clicking this button until there are at least 2 people in the game. So no more breaking the game by having one person in the lobby and then starting it, which is pretty sick. Uh, yeah, so that's basically getting you caught up at where the game's at and what's been going on. Oh, wait, one more thing. One more thing, or 2 more things. Yes, 2 more things. So live. If you go to live, you might notice this stream is now here, and also this one, I believe. I think it might be that one. I believe this one and this one are now back up. They used to be taken down for copyright. However, I managed to apparently YouTube was like cool with me letting them back up so long as I like muted the part that was not being liked. So now you can view the entire stream except for those like couple minutes in both of them where there was some kind of copyrighted stuff going on. So now you can see the whole thing is my point. You can see them all. It's pretty funny. Another thing, which I just did there, which is muting. Remember last time I did kind of a short stream because I wasn't feeling too great? Turns out that was not a one-off thing. I thought it was because I hadn't gotten a lot of sleep that day, which was also true. But also it turns out that was the beginning of me getting a little bit of a cold, so that was fun. Didn't go to school yet the day after. Went to school today. Not feeling the. I mean, I'm feeling all right. Still feeling the after effects of it though. My nose is a bit runny, which is always fun. And yeah, mm-hmm. It's basically where we stand. Uh, so today, first thing I want to do is figure out why, for whatever reason, the new hand card just completely destroys the game. I don't, no matter what, in any game, it just always does. I don't know what it is. Let me go to card action. I think I might know the issue. I was kind of thinking about it. This is not the right file. So let me go to card action. What if I just say, in this case, if multiplayer and so if multiplayer and isn't player turn, it just fucking ignores what it does. I think what was going on was there was some fucky wucky shitty witty going on with this bit of code here, which was taking place because of multiplayer's funny stuff. So I was like, wouldn't it be funny if I just basically told it, no. If I just said, how about what if instead of doing these actions, you actually just didn't? Well, I can do that. I can get away with it actually in this case because any things that have to do with modifying the hand only need to be client side because I don't care about game security and like like genuinely the deck is stored like on your computer. Your deck is, not the other people's computer as well. Uh if that makes sense. It might. Sorry for the silence here. I'm just fucking waiting for this to like load like Jesus. All I'm trying to do is start up a new multiplayer game so that I can test out all this fucking shit, man. I'm actually gonna change it so that I'm 2. I am the original. 6MD79C. Mm-hmm. So then I can hit play game. Play game. Perfect, I got it right off the bat. So, yep, that was it. Literally, I just needed to just ignore the card action. And the game works perfectly. Bet. Oh, also, I changed up slightly how the AI works on the easier difficulties so that it becomes slightly easier because I realized I could make I found I thought of a way to make it easier on the easier difficulties, so I did. So that's one of the, it's something. I'm just trying to think of wait, did I just close? No. Okay, we're good. I thought for a second I closed Unity and I was like, that'd be a big brain play if I closed the actual Unity editor. So that's already half of the stuff I wanted to fix done. Other thing is going to be a bit more complex. I basically need to check when the host player or client player leave the game, and when that happens to basically say, uh-oh, bad. Actually, in my fixed update, I have a something already detecting when the player amount changes, right? I can instead do if I can detect if you're in the game. I think. Now, I'll probably send it to it. I won't send you to the main menu. I'd probably send you to like a custom screen that says like disconnected or some shit like that. I don't fucking know. Alright. So what this should do is this should essentially say, well, like, if you're actually playing the game, like you're actively in a game, and the opponent leaves, it should kick you to the main menu. Wait, I just realized this is only running when checks 3. Whoops. My bad. So that's actually not going to do anything. If checks 3 or game state equals game, there you go. I don't know why I clicked play, I'm gonna be honest. I mean, I can check this. There's not really a whole lot I can check. I do have to actually build and run. But you see, you get the maybe the idea, right? I previously had created this bit of code which checked when the player left, or like when a new player left or joined, or like when a player left or joined the game. Now, what I can do with this is I can use essentially the exact same piece of code for detecting when a client leaves the game or when the host leaves the game, but during the game itself instead of during the main menu. So instead of updating the connected player names list... Wait. It also, I need to have a bit of code that says if the host leaves during the play menu screen, then it kicks you to the main menu. Because, or it runs the same function at least, because it should not update the player names in the, anyway. That's something I can test out in a second. Now, sources here now, let's go. That's pretty W. You did miss a bit of backstory though. Like, my 2 previously copyrighted streams are now back up. I was able to get those back up. It also turns out I am a bit sick, which is why I was not feeling too great. But last stream, lore, yeah, there is stream lore. That's what was good. That's what's going on here. More stream lore. I did some stuff off stream. I can show you that in a second when I get to it. We've got some new stuff for today, and we've got some stuff that I did off screen in the game, which I'll show you when I actually test out what the hell I was just doing. So when I get to C9 KGML, what should happen is I should be able to start the game. We'll play the game like normal, right? I put the cannon down, whatever. What should happen is if I leave the game here, not good. especially if I close this game. Not good. Now I don't know how it fucking didn't, why it didn't detect this, because it like literally doesn't exist anymore. Like they're gone. The fucking game objects are gone. The child count should be 0, which means I don't know how the hell it's storing that, or how it hasn't realized that it's broken. Uh, that's a problem for a second. I gotta go back over some of the stuff that's changed. All right, number one thing in the game that I did while you were not here off stream. Credits menu, a really shitty thrown together credits menu, which I threw together in like 2 minutes. In between classes, is the credits menu here, which basically just says me and some people who have helped inputs on the game, yeah, or who have helped test out the game as it stands. Um, I'm also going to be shipping them a probably like some like later stuff. Um, other news. What was the other stuff? I definitely had other stuff, and I fucking forgot it because I was a bit engrossed in this. Yes, while you were off stream, I fixed the fucking new hand card, so that's already half of that done. Current thing is now to figure out why the piece of code I wrote here is not working. The game state equals, maybe the game state isn't game. It should be. Can I get a credit for being your only mostly consistent viewer not testing the game? You want a special mention specifically saying my only mostly consistent viewer, but didn't test the game. Source Gear 420. I could do that. I could do that. So is it actually not setting the game state correctly? I like how I'm just soft locked here. That's something to fix. Apparently you get soft locked there. I didn't even notice that. Because you're not supposed to go back there. But you also can't start the game, so that's cool actually. So currently in single player at least, the game state is game. So I believe that shouldn't have changed. The game state will still be game. So why did it not kick me to the main menu? Debug.log. Change detected. Not select everything, but you know. That's there. Here, change detected. So I want to see why that's not working. Also, what I can quickly go do over to the canvas, I can disable the second play menu. I can re-enable the, or I can, I guess not re-enable. I can do this. I can basically say, oh hey, look, testers. I can go Control C, Control V, and then I can kind of move this down here a little bit lower, and then I basically say, what was your exact words? Only most, can I, what's the semi-capital one? Is that the right one? No. Do none of these have like uppercase but only the first word? That's kind of dumb. All right. Only mostly consistent viewer, not testing the game. Uh Wrapping disabled. It's a bit wide. This is the best change I've ever made. Hands down. Only mostly consistent viewer not testing the game. Source Gear 420. Biggest credit. Yeah, honestly, biggest credit. Wait, actually, I'll make you special. I'll make you a different color than the testers. You get like, you get a green. I'm also gonna fix the spacing of this a little bit. Uh, Boom. I know this credits menu looks like ass, but I'll fix it eventually. At some point. So currently I've got to figure out why it for some reason did not run main menu. Or maybe if it did, why did it not kick me out? Main menu should be doing this when it gets run. So why is this the case? It definitely shuts down the instance. It wasn't there last time. Here's to figure out. That debug statement should essentially run during the thing. So if it's detecting the change at all, if it's this will essentially let me see if it is the problem the detecting of the change, or is the problem the I just realized that it would technically break if someone joined in the middle of the game, but basically this should let me check what the actual problem is, or at least part of the problem. Change detected, so you can see all these changes are being detected here. That makes sense. The Boolean is being run anytime a change is detected and it tries to update something. So where is this data, and why have I just... Okay. Yikes, what do you mean yikes, I'm right? I don't even know what you're saying. Yikes, I'm right too. What am I yikes being right about? Well, I guess we'll find out if you respond. So yeah, it's just checking for anything right now. Third player joining mid-game. Yeah. Well, technically speaking, the maximum capacity is 2, so they can't. But I was hypothesizing creating game modes where there's more than 2 people in a match. But I haven't done that, supposedly. Can I create a message in here? I've never tried. Can you send messages in this? I don't know. Doesn't look like it. So if I do this, I can do all my shit, like sending out the game data. Are you alright in that? They're not here anymore. They're gone. So it's not running this bit of code. It's not running this bit of code at all. They're right here. How? Game state and multiplayer. So both of these booleans should be true. Now, the only time this wouldn't be is if somehow last check fucking huh? It should hold on. Well, we at least start up a new game, and I'll show you what the fuck I'm talking about. So, MJ, HCHB. So let me join this match here. So you can see it's doing all the stuff like detecting the changes. So, inside this thing, right, there are these 2 objects. Now, I'm not an expert, but when the game gets started, right, and you can see they're still here. They're not there anymore. And it doesn't detect it. This is the one. This one is not related to what just happened. What? How the hell is it not detecting this? Connection. Does this change when I start a multiplayer game? Oh.
Interesting. But how the fuck? What? Why would it be able to detect the change when I'm in that menu and not outside of it? The only thing I can think of is this, but it is. This just is true. So, I'm not really sure. What I can just say is always run it if multiplayer is active and say, you know what, fuck the optimization, I can make it screw itself. It'll just always run if it's multiplayer. Oh my fucking god, I just realized what the problem is. Oh, I'm a fucking idiot, man. Oh, that hurts. Alright, alright. Okay. So you see this little itty bitty bit of code here. Wouldn't it be really funny if I included an if statement that only runs when it's in the main menu and not in the game? Wow. Fucking Christ, man. Well, that'll fix it. So stupid. Oh, that's incredibly stupid. Where's play menu 2? And network manager dot singleton dot is host. Alright, that just means you can only click play game if you're the host now. I've got to do the same thing in the other menu as well with the deck picking. The deck shit picking. Shitty pickings. But, you know, I'll get there. I love, don't you just love it when you fucking code something amazing and you put it in the wrong if statement? No, or you forget that the if statement that it's in, and it prevents it from running in the case that you want it to run. Ugh, man. And that's gonna fucking fix it too. That's what hurts me the most. It was literally just that. Stop. I don't care about Old Spice. Where is Unity? Here. Who's Catcraft? What are you playing? TF2? Lol. Nice. No, TFN. Alright. So, now, I correctly cannot play the game, but I can from over here. So I play the game, whatever. I can play the game normally. All of this should be working. Yes. Boom. Alright. That's not broken anymore. What a great fucking clusterfuck that is. Double. And ain't that so fun? Alright. So there you go. That should fix not only the leaving in the middle of the lobby problem, but that should also make it so that theoretically if someone joined in the middle of the game, it wouldn't crash the game, or it wouldn't kick everyone out, rather. It wouldn't crash, it would just make everyone have to leave, which is kind of funny. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, to be honest. Domo. W. Cool. That's all fun and that's all fun and swell, I should say. All right, so that's fixed, probably, maybe. I don't know. I haven't tested it. I'm just gonna say it's fixed for now. What I want to do next, maybe, is work on adding. All right, I just want to quickly throw in a button real quick. Canvas. Where's credits? This button.
Wow is real, Afrin.
So you think you know Wix?
I don't know Wix. That's the problem. I actually don't know Wix.
If you don't have a strong website, you're toast.
I don't have a strong website? Aw, don't you just hate it when you have a strong website?
Their experts can handle it all, or you can build it yourself.
Damn.
One stop, all done.
Ain't that a doozy. Thank you. Actual music this time. And then I can go over to play menu 2. Where'd that put that? Oh shit. There we go. Anyway, just throwing in that button there. I actually don't know if that's gonna look nice or not. I haven't figured out where. I don't actually know where that is. Try me. Yeah. Well, now you can officially close the game from here, which is nice. I don't need this up anymore. Actually, I can probably close a few things. Like this. That's just my own Discord. I don't know if I need to have that open, to be honest. I probably should keep the files open. Don't need that. Oh. No. Alright. Boy, alright. So, let's join this game. So, DCR6LC. Oh. Uh-huh. Alright. I know what's happening there. When you first join the game, the thing is at 0 because you haven't actually connected yet. That's cool. That's so cool. Can escape equals false. So can escape. So you have to be able to escape in order to run this, and oh wait.
Something I can help with. Yes, there bloody well is. This place was respectable. Now it's just a hipster dive that looks identical with drinks in glass jars and boots up the wooden boards at prices that no normal human could afford. He said, yeah, but at least try the menu, because I'm sure we can tempt you if you let us attempt to. We've got bowls of ramen and sriracha to start with, wood-fired pizza and artichoke hearts, raw cacao brownies with ice cream made of kale, all washed down with a local pale ale. Yeah, that sounds right, actually. No, wait. You can't tempt me. I don't wanna. Get away from me. I'm warning you. Please.
So that piece of code that is written there should basically only make it start checking for this once it's above 0. Yep. There you go. Not save as. Alright. New attempt. I expect you to fart. That's what I expect you to do.
Cash backing.
Cash back it.
Unwrap a little holiday
No!
Kinder Bueno Mini.
Sorry, these ads really go hard, man. They're really convincing me to take all of their products in. I love consuming product. It's my favorite thing to do. I go out of my way to consume product. I watch all ads. Left WRWB. Alright, so namely, we're both sex master, but it should kick me to the menu. No. What do you mean index was out of bounds of the array? What the fuck are you on about? Play your name. How? Okay, you know what? That's fair. That's fair. I know what's going on there. What if I just try catch it? I like how, like, try catch loops are supposed to be used for, like, actual, like, purpose, you know, like finding errors and making sure they don't happen. I just use it so the game doesn't fucking crash. Because the problem is that... What the fuck did I just click there? I have genuinely no idea. The problem which was happening there is, like, the frame that you... Anyway, the frame where you are leaving the game, so it's gonna pause the music when this fucking builds. When the other player leaves the game, but before it's kicked you out, all of the players are actually already gone from the thing. And what that piece of code was trying to do is access the missing players because the game hadn't realized that you were supposed to be kicked out yet. Anyway, this should now fix that problem by just saying, if you have an error, don't. This is why I love try catch things, because they're just so good, man. They just that was just me typing in the wrong code. GBRTN. You can see because this is ha stupid. Because that's what happens if you click the wrong code. So I should now. Well, now it just hasn't even fucking bothered. It's 0. They're gone. That's not concerning. That it's not kicking me. You know what? I don't care because WDRNRD. I think it's just straight up never doing it now. Is this a public bool, by the way? I don't remember if I made it a public bool. It is a public bool, so I can check if you can escape right now. Are you allowed to escape? Where the fuck is can escape? It's probably all the way down here. The bottom, where it's neglected. Can escape is set to false. Why are you set to false? If you cannot escape, then it gets the child count, which is 2. If it's more than 0, which 2 is, then can escape is true. Well, maybe that would help. Sometimes, I don't know, I'm just really big brain. I don't know how to put it.
The wow is real, Afrin.
And it's not. No, please, give me more ads. I'm feeling very inclined to buy all of your products and visit all of your stores. Because I saw an ad for it.
You know, what do you know? I'm a man of very fine taste.
I like how the internet has essentially conditioned me to completely and utterly ignore every single advertisement of all time. Also, this song goes hard. That's actually working now. I just entered it wrong. GB. There you go. Now I'm actually going to be in the game. Now I can start the game. I think I can technically start it from this one, which I'm not supposed to because I'll break it. Alright, so I can put a cannon down. Whatever, that's all working. Bro, itty bitty titty committee goes hard, bro. And yeah, that's working now. So it's actually it's correctly detecting all this shit. T78 M66. So now if I try leaving with this one, it should also kick out the main guy. Well, that's not good. Because, yikes. What's going on? Let's try hosting it from this one and doing the reverse so I can see what it's like. It just said no. Okay. You know what? That's cool and all. You can see it going up in the background, and I leave the game. That's all good. It works for the host. So, it seems like it's correctly detecting when the host leaves. Why is it not detecting when the client... Oh my fucking god, okay. I figured it out. So, what's going on here? It's, yeah, that's kind of dumb. Okay. To clarify what's going on, when the client leaves, the host it does display a message when the other player leaves, because if so, we can make it. You gotta ban. Yeah, I was actually planning on adding a disconnect screen. That's kind of funny. I don't know what's up with you and these random chances to say random funny thing, but it's kind of funny, so I'd go with it. I was planning. There's gonna be like an actually connection lost thing that's gonna appear for like a couple of seconds when you get disconnected. Right now, it just kicks you to the main menu. There'll probably be a thing that appears though that's like connection lost or some funky shit like that. So anyway, what's going on is when the client leaves, everyone's gone, right? When the host leaves, it kicks everyone out, or basically it completely shuts everything down because the host is the server runner. Another one single once again. Yikes, source. It kicks everyone out. Problem. When the client leaves, or the main thing on the docket, wait 1 sec. When the client leaves instead of the host is still left there. The client is just gone. So the child count would actually be 1 instead of 0 because not everyone's gone. So I've actually got to do I've just got to basically specify that when the client also leaves, then basically if it's 1 or 0 when the thing updates, then it should be bad. Another one single once again. That's I read it before and it's still like, damn, bro. All right, play game multiplayer. So I should be able to leave and join this one, and it should not cause any problems. So KJHHFG. So I can join it. We'll be good. I should be able to leave it. We're good. And I should be able to rejoin it. This is a problem from Delusion as well. I still have no idea what the fuck that is. But sometimes when you try to connect to a match right after being in a match, it just says, fuck you, and doesn't work, and I don't know why. So, that's funny. I'm gonna have to look into why that fucking happens, because it's annoying. But for now, at least, I'm gonna ignore it. Anyway, I should be able to start the game, and then disconnect on my client, and it should end the game for both. Let's go. Now, I want to take a more in-depth look into this one, which is prefab. Where is it? Pick thingamabob. Somewhere along here. If we don't want to, we could. No, that won't fix it. It's an indefinite. Like, it just always happens. That once you connect to something first, like one time, it'll try to do it again. Or once you can connect to something on the first try and it'll be good. Then the second time you try, it'll say like, "Oops, fuck you." Then you can do it a third time and it'll be good. Then the fourth time it'll say, "Oops, fuck you," and then the fifth time it'll be. For some reason, it's every other time it works. This isn't too much of a problem because you can just press enter again. I just don't know why it's doing it, which is the problem. So I want to probably add a bit of debug statements in here. So debug.log attempt join. So it attempts to join it. So that'll just let me monitor every step of the process, although it actually should be on the other side of this. So the debug log after each line, I know that's kind of shitty, but doesn't, what do you mean doesn't even like numbers? Or doesn't like even numbers. You mean how every other attempt, yeah. I don't know. Well, this should hopefully give me a view into why, because it'll start spewing out a bunch of messages into chat, which will let me hopefully see the logic flow for this, or to see why the fuck it's not doing it. If it's crashing midway through the attempt, what I could do is essentially try to do it a few times. I could just say, like, attempt to join 3 times or something, and if it fails all 3 times, then say, you know what, you're fucked. But that's a possible solution. What do you mean connecting? Try again. I don't know what you're doing, or what you're talking about, or why you have those. So I should be able to join 9RF 9Q, and you will see joined goodly. So it's gone through all of them. Good, we're good. Now let's try joining again. What? No. No. No, hold on. I think I may have just found the problem. Has it not been with this the whole time? Hold on. This is a national matter. I think this is a national emergency. What is the? Why did you send me a message? Oh, I just saw connecting, try again. Yeah, I see that message that you DM'd me. Yeah, that's not, it censored the middle message there. So, yeah, I don't see that in the stream. So, let's try this again, shall we? I think I can still just straight up join it. Because all I've done is expose a variable. This shouldn't have fucked with it. RF9FQ. I think that worked. I can check the network manager and scroll down. I want to check these 2 variables. Where are they? So these 2. 2 and false. Oh, you asshole. Do you see that? I explicitly told it to be... Oh, that hurts. Oh, that hurts. And I know why it's doing that too. Oh, man. Alright. So check this out. This won't work, but can't escape should be set to false now. Fucking hell. Alright. That's the problem. It's for some reason not doing it, and I believe the problem is in this piece of code here. I believe this gets to run between when you click main menu and when you actually, when all of the instances actually disappear. I believe this actually fucks itself sideways. So, quick question. Does main menu stay enabled? Because it would be an easy way to test. Or to get this. Main menu. It doesn't. So I can get the miscref, or checks responsible for it. Transform.child. What's up with this? Why are you saying transform.child count with like 4 question marks? What's up with that? What? Are you wondering why it has children? Man, look, man, this code, it's got a life outside of this game, bro. You gotta chill out. You gotta relax. They got lives of their own. I actually want to do number blocks. 100% this is gonna copyright the stream, but I don't fucking care. In the meantime, I'm gonna fix this stupid ass bug. Where's this? The actual song. Oh, this is really quiet on stream. This song goes fucking hard, man. Y'all wouldn't know the OG. Y'all wouldn't know how hard this song goes. And this game goes like this. When you hear a number, make the shape 1. 1 spot on the dice. Make the shape 1. 2. It's been so long since, but I can remember most of the song. 1, 2, 3. 3 spots on the dice. Make the shape 3. Goes hard. Alright, so I think I can just simply say, where's the update menu? Main menu is 0. Back him up. If I ever meet up with you, if I meet up with you IRL ever, I'm gonna force you to play backgammon. Why? Just because of the song? Stuff.
I'm number 6, and I've got game. When you hear my name, you'll be glad you came. So take a chance, take my advice, do a little dance and throw the dice. I'm number 6, I'm in the mix. Good times, I'm a go. That's how I roll.
New game. If you see your number, it's your turn to dance. Let's roll. 5. Hand jive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Song goes hard, man.
3.
Look at me.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
What was I fixing? Oh, yes, the double join bug.
Not
Alright.
sure. Oh! Square dance. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Here.
Time to use my dancing shoes. 1,
Correct.
1.
Wait, why is this 2?
2.
How is that 2?
This is fun. 1, 1, 1, 1.
Why is it? You know, not my problem.
6 is in the mix. I'm number 6, and I've got game. When you hear my
What do you mean this song distracted me more than you do? You made me go on like a 2-hour tangent about the Roblox shitty game design. That's pretty distracting, I would say. Although, to be fair, I wasn't actively doing game dev at that moment, so whatever.
good times, I'm a go. That's how I roll.
By the way, just to clarify, there is a bunch of these. Also, we gotta like the tonal whiplash that's in this playlist here. So
I've got this song, right, which, you know, a pretty vulgar song, especially considering this is the uncensored version of the song. Immediately followed by the number block. Why is the auto skip turned off on this? Like this song is incredibly vulgar, right? But like I gotta turn this down now. But like that number block song immediately follows it in my playlist, which I think is quite the tonal whiplash. I also do just like this song though. Also, yeah, so that fixes the double join bug, which is cool. That's, I think, most of the cleanup for the multiplayer that I was planned out. Do I not have the goals list? I did close it, so that's fair. So, these are the two main things I wanted to fix. I found another thing, which I also then fixed. So let's see if I can create some profile data, which, you know, stays. I think I created some dummy data in Gamer, although I don't know if it's actually in here anymore. I didn't say it weird. Gamer. I put this here. This is just like the stuff, so I can do like games played. Should this be a array? I'm good. Maybe a dictionary. Oh yes, definitely a dictionary. I fucking love dictionaries, bro. No. Dictionary. String int, probably. Wait. Yeah, that's fine. Actually, strings, just so I can fuck with it. I don't even. This doesn't even be in Gamer. This literally shouldn't even be in Gamer. I can put it in files, the save system. Public. Dictionary. String, which is gonna be profile data equals new dictionary string, and especially on load game we'll get it. I can use a lot of the same data here, but when I'm loading this in and versus saving it, that'll be the more bigger problems. This is very mature, this song. Definitely rated M for mature.
Welcome to Adapted Mind. The Math Academy. Your child can make their very
Sorry, I just really like the total whiplash. It just is really funny. I also skipped from 6 to 12, I know. Not gonna lie though, 6, 12, 15, 18, and 50 have the best songs in the entire show. They're not the number blocks. It's a lie. It's all a scam. They don't tell you it, but it is. So I should put it after this so I can reuse sex. I love reusing sex. So sex equals load string. So we're gonna load in what parameters does this take, by the way? File path is optional, default is optional. So it should be the string or the thing, which shall be profile data. What kind of syntax I've been using? Underscores. Gotta love how I just didn't put this in parentheses at all. There you go. And empty default. And there'll be two different responses for if there is sex or not. So if you have sexed or if you have not. If you haven't, then it's as simple as saying var g equal. Or this is not a very simple matter, but var l equals. Can I do l? Probably. Dictionary or string to dictionary. String to dictionary, and then I input the dictionary with custom. Actually, the separators I think by default are fine with comma and k, which is good. And then I sorry, I'm just thinking. Profile
profile data dot. Wait, I don't even need to fucking. I can just set this. I don't need to parse it. I was thinking of parsing it into ints, but that's stupid. It's already fucking like. I don't even need to do var l. I can literally just fucking do this. Profile data equals this. So that's as simple as this. Instead, though, I'm gonna create profile data equals new dictionary string this. Breakaway. Song goes hard. Don't I need to put this in fucking brackets? I do. Games played 0. So I can then do I don't know what else. Current coins doesn't actually need to be one, but because there's already something else storing the total or the current coins. No, hear me out. We put Gummy Bear Russian. Yep. I'm not sure if it's a good thing or a bad thing that of my like very few bookmarks that I have. I mean, I have a lot of bookmarks in various folders, but I generally put them in folders because like this kind of stupid to put all this in the thing, right? But I have like the only one of the only actual bookmarks up there is the fucking Gummy Bear song in Russian. And I'm all for it. It's great. Am I playing it right now? Maybe. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone about it. What was I gonna do? Any other like what stats should really be tracked? I mean, title. What stats though should really be tracked? I don't honestly know. Cards played. I can check when you play a card. It is probably it's as good if not better, I would say. Kept listening to children's show intros in Russian and saying how they bop. No. Not that I'm aware of. I did listen to a bunch of children's show intros, because they slap. But I don't know about in Russian. I just realized this is a link to the music. Yeah, this isn't a link to, so you can actually you can go number 4,333 of the playlist. It's been a long time since I've honestly listened to music from the music. Yeah, I've used much more specialized playlists as of recently, which are like subsections of the music. Yeah, because it's gotten too long. There is some good music in here, which I haven't really played though. This song gives me nightmares. If you can guess what it is without seeing the thing in the bottom left if it appears, I'd be genuinely impressed, because it's kind of scary. Well, it's appeared now. Smooth criminal, but every other beat is missing. It's pretty damn good. It's pretty damn good. But yeah, I don't really know what other stats I could track that would be like interesting to have on a stat sheet, you know? Like time played. I could track your time played if I want. I don't know. Games log. Well, I can just find that mathematically by taking the games played and subtracting the games won. So time spent in menu. I should make a stat called time spent on the credits menu. Time spent on the profile screen.
I'm not sure what secrets found would be. I haven't added that many secrets. I mean, there's currently like the main menu shit. This isn't like what was it, Fexen? This ain't like Fexen the RPG where I added like 60 something secrets. Honestly, I think there was more by the end, but goddamn, there was a lot in that game. This isn't Fexen though. Like, there's like a few things to find, bro. I mean, how many times they've opened the game and a secret has appeared? That could be. I could do that. Secret scene. Maybe. Secrets. Did I delete something? I did just delete that. If we want to put anything else in there, it's pretty easy to do. But yeah. So I've created all these things that are basically just stored. What I do have to do is save this data, which should be really, really easy because I've made all this code before. I think it is literally just as simple as doing save string, and then I type in where I want to save it to, which is profile data, and I input the data, which is in this case dictionary to string, and then I input profile data. And I think that's it. I don't think I need to do anything else. I think that's literally just fucking it. New secret changes every stat to baller. This isn't the stat names, technically. I mean, I could make it also the stat names. This probably is not what would be displayed to the player. Although if I wanted to be lazy, I could. New secret changes. I mean, maybe. I don't know. For right now, though, I think this is at least an alright list of stats to be viewed, which is genuinely, like, kind of funny to look at. I think that's fine for now. You know, I'll just put games lost on here. I don't need to. That's just so that I can exist. Yeah. PvP games won, PvP games lost, PvP games. So, should games lost be total, like single player and multiplayer? I know the PvP stuff would be exclusively multiplayer stuff. That's PvP shit. But like, would the other stuff be exclusively to AI or be a total? Because I could have them as separate measurements, you know? Like, these ones are for when you're playing against the AI, these ones are for when you're playing against other people. But, or I could just have it as total games played versus total games lost. Now, what I also plan on doing, the only aside for being title, where I have to do some slight special code for it, I was thinking, wouldn't it be neat if all of these were like special things you could display underneath your name, right? Like when you're in a multiplayer game. Oh my god, I love it when it's compiling the thing and it's reloading the script assemblies. And then it's holding on too. All right, anyway, I thought it'd be really cool. You're gonna go start a run as Heretic. That's nice. I was thinking, wouldn't it be neat as if, you know how in the multiplayer thing, currently there's this little thing here with your name. Would it be neat if you could display like one of these things below your name? So you could basically choose which one to put there. I don't fucking know what I would do there. I just think it'd be neat. I'm gonna play some Chris music then. This is... yeah. So basically this would just be like a list or some shit. I don't fucking know. Gamer. Trying to think of real quick something. Well, first of all, is that data actually been saved? I did start the game and then close it, which means it should be in here, right? So I can go to my C, me, app data, roaming, aux,
Umbra game data. It should be in there. Yeah, there it is. Does Rejuve boost Heretics Nega regen? I don't know, honestly. I don't know about that one. We'll have to test that one out. That's not something I'm familiar with. I haven't played too much Heretic. I'm not sure precisely how all of its stuff works, although I do know that losing health via negative regen does not count as taking damage, which you seem to be very confused about. I might pick it out. I'm just thinking of how to display this. All right. Here's my thoughts on the process. So I'm gonna go over to a Textrum data. It'll be a very highly specialized one, this one. Doesn't need to be in a try catch loop, thankfully. This one will be what like that doesn't matter what I can just call it like prof data. So we're gonna say our string e equals this for each var pp in file system dot instance dot profile data. No? Oh, save system. Sorry. Save system dot instance dot profile data. So it goes through everything and basically should switch based on pp.key, although by default break e plus equals a interpolated string. That is the right word. Interpolate. I don't fucking know. pp.key pp. Value br and then I can just say a equals e, except, and this is all fine and dandy except for in the case where it's title, in which case it's the same thing except instead of pp.value it's gamer.instance. No. Sorry. Public list string titles equals new list with string. Equals gamer.instance dot titles in dot parse dot data. Okay, so that should be good. That should all be working. I definitely put that in fixed update. Honestly, that doesn't even need to fucking run in fixed update. That's kind of overkill, to be honest. But I can just kind of probably throw that onto a thing now, and it should be good. Should be good. Also, it means you can technically display whatever the fuck you want in there, so that's cool. Let me change up the music a little bit. Maybe some. Wow.
Explaining complex topics can be challenging.
It can be.
The text you want to simplify and let Grammarly rewrite it.
I'm good. So let's head over off of play menu over to the profile. We're going to create a new text component. Similar to username, but also not at all like username, in that wrapping will be disabled. Just to clarify, BR does work, right? Good.
Right, that's all displaying downwards correctly.
Refreshing.
Hey, time to discover who I am.
There you go. That'll be enough open ports for now.
I'm 18,
And I'm a super speedy
super rectangle, and I like to go
fast.
Probably that. Right. And then I get rid of these. I just get rid of all those. Put a dash or something. And then I throw on text from data. Misc. Where the fuck is text from data? Prof data use fixed. What? Okay. That should be good now. Asked to explain. Roar 2. No, wait. The undisputed master. Was I making... Yes, profile. I know what I'm doing. That's cool. Index out of range. Ah, there's no titles. I forgot to make them. So let's write some, shall we? I don't know what honestly the title should be. I can make them whatever the fuck I want. So none or just blank. In honor of source gear, I'll make some like fartmonger and suction cup balls. I could also make the loser and also the winner for if you get a set amount of losses and wins. But that works for now. Profile. Okay, well, it's a bit long. You can see that it's gone a bit off the screen, which is cool. How can I change that to make it less bit shit? Wait, can I get an exclusive one according to my amazing place in maybe. That would require. As an aside, I need to think of an interesting way of basically allowing me to gift people things, like allowing me to gift people exclusive shit. Maybe there's like a code. Maybe I have like a code entry thing, and by entering a certain code or something into the game, you can unlock certain stuff like a cool title, or or I don't fucking know, like Source Gear's funny exclusive title. I just fucking launched that pen. Where'd that go? We're not finding that. Wait, found it. We're good. So yeah, you could that's an idea. That's all I've thought of so far. The code could just be your username. Yeah, although I also probably want to make it so other people don't do it, unless that depends on how open I want it to be. Do I want it to be kind of like an open thing, like, oh, if you know this dude's username, you can get his title, or do I want it to be like only you can get it, so it's a very like weird, like random string of numbers and letters kind of thing. So who knows? Who knows? I might add that that is all currently just hypothesis. Not hypothesis, that's just all theory, is a better way of saying that. That's currently just a, changing your username can act as a code prompt. I guess? I would rather make it something else in specific. Because the name entry length is limited to 30. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, I just think it's kind of neat. Whoa! Anyway, so I've got to basically take these stats and move them somewhere so they actually appear nicely. So I've got this text. And it's over here. Let's give it one more G. I'm currently thinking of just kind of aligning it along the left side of the wall here. Although it should be aligned left. Right, I kind of aligned it up along the left side of the wall. And then I kind of take the, all of this.
or not that image, but all of these, and just kind of right shift the, oh fuck, and this, and just kind of shift it over here. I don't know if I like that or not, but for now at least, it opens up a lot of space for this data. And I can put some other stuff over here. Anyway, now you have all these zeros and shit, which is always so cool to see. Now, none of them mean anything right now because there's no way to change them. Next part. How do I change this data? Well, that shouldn't be too hard. Games played. Alright, hold on. Where's to end? That's wrong function. To end. So when you end the game, we're gonna have a bunch of logic here. So if multiplayer or not, and if it's the multiplayer, then I'm going to say, y'all ready for this amazing code? Check this out. So save system, no. Save system.instance dot profile data. What are we looking for? Games played or PvP games played. Let's do PvP games played. So PvP games played equals, get this. So int dot parse this plus plus dot toString. What? 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 What is it not like here? Like seriously, what is it not like here? Is it an int? It's fine with you know what? I don't care. Anyway, so I think that'll work. This is some probably pretty shitty code. Alright, PvP games lost. So then I can just say if... What? How do I check if you won? Player 1. And then same exact code pasted on the else, except it just doesn't say PvP. Definitely a better way to code that. Anyway, this is kind of like the absolute W string, right? Or like piece of code. So what else do I need to, what else increments from my save system? Save system. So PvP games wait, there's another thing that increments whenever you lose. Mun. Coins plus equals this. Alright. Interesting DM I just got. Alright, these songs just go hard, man. ISDG, if I'm gonna have to, like, mute, like, half of the stream because of this, it'd be kind of funny. I might honestly be cool if it just, like, gets struck down for copyright or something, because, like, I would
How would
not.
you describe the chicken to someone who had never tasted it?
Awful. Horrible. Worst thing I ever had.
You know, it's almost like a farmer's market. When you walk into the restaurant, you should hear the sizzle that you're hearing right now. Just sends all those waves up to your mouth.
You're making me hungry.
Nope. So this is converting mun into a long I'm going to same thing, but where the fuck is the save thing for total coins? So it's just called total coins. There should be a special instance for total coins. Or current coins, I should say. I just realized it. So let me go over to save system, Control D, and then I go over to text from data, and then wait, I don't need to put this into string, it's already interpolated. Anyway, that should increment the total coins counter correctly. Maybe. And then I can just use the same bit of code for card action. I think it'd be really funny if all that code actually just didn't work and I'd have to go remake it, but I think it works.
For us, there is no calm before the storm. That's when we get to work, putting systems in place to keep you connected.
Yeah.
No matter what.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah, so that's the fun little bits and bobs. Your profile now should have these things, and I should be able to go to like single player and start playing stuff like a cannon. And I should be able to profile, and now it didn't change. Oh, if player one, really? Okay, hold on. Just making sure that it doesn't stay around. Alright. Fix that. No, this should properly increment. I've got 0 coins, but I should have 1 card played. Let's go, buddy. Mick. Not sure why people have become re-obsessed with Fortnite. It's pretty sad, I would say. Time played is going to be kind of annoying to do. Main menu shouldn't be too hard. Or getting the secret counts, right? Peter Griffin isn't for. Oh my god. No. Why is everyone playing Fortnite? Everyone's playing Fortnite. Tank equals. So whenever you roll something, it just increments this variable, which is pretty easy to just slap this on literally everything. And then after all of this, if inc is greater than 0, then I need to grab the gamer code. then I go back. Where the fuck was I? I just was there. My brain is peaking. Main menu shit. So this gets me this, and then I use the thing, which is secrets. I really did not need to copy this one. But I just want to make sure I don't misspell any of this. And instead of converting long, it's just ink. There you go. Now every time you roll a secret, it should tell you. Wait. No, it's not. It'd be really funny if I got one. Nah. Oh, my voice just cracked hard there. But nah, we're not getting one that time. Anyway, that should officially mark every time you see a secret and how many you see. Up next on the docket. Let's go... Save system. So, games played. All of these are done. These are done. This works. This works. So the remaining one is time played and title. So time played... So here's my plan. Public int time equals 0, right? Time is 0. And whenever you save the game, or whenever you start the game, where the fuck is start game? That's gamer. Wait, is it? I'd put it in time. Oh fuck. I don't want it to be in time. I want it to be in fucking save system. Where is it though? Save system. Anyway, time. So on start, it's just going to say time. I know what I'm doing. Time equals random functions dot instance dot get Unix time. Sorry, this should be in seconds by default. Yeah, default is seconds. So this should get the amount of seconds you play. I can add a custom display as well for the time. Oh, I should add that. Fuck. Okay, hold on, wait. Do aux tools. Add a time in seconds to readable time, like minutes, hours, days, etc. That I really should have done that before. Anyway. So where's my data? So save system. It should get the Unix time. We're good. Now I also, whenever you save the game, I also want so time equals this, but I'm also going to get the Unix time. RE equals Unix time. I guess I 4 eyes. So this is the current Unix time, and in reality this doesn't need to be this. Play menu. Where's main menu? I want to grab that. And then this paste. By the way, this is a unit. This is an int, right? Yeah, it returns an int. So where the why can I not remember what this is? My brain has just melted itself. Saved. It's in this. That's what I was looking for too.
time played. So it should add the difference of these. So the difference in the time that you've played the game should be added to the current or to the total time and saved, and then sets the time to time and does this. Perfect. Now, I believe the game gets saved when you close the deck builder. No fucking shot I just got Baller Fallers, bro. No way. That's gonna increment my secret, so I get to test that. I'll put that in progress and announcements. No way I just got Baller. No way I just got Baller Fallers, bro. That's pretty sick. Anyway, secrets 1, time played should still be 0, but now it's 29. Although it's measured in seconds because I haven't made a converter, but you can see, like, right? I need to create like a time to read function, so that's gonna be my new thing in this, which is honestly really piss easy to do. So public string, yeah, string. What should it do? Oh, this should be a fucking big int, shouldn't it? Anyway, public string, time to read. So var g equals big integer dot parse. So out p equals, so it's gonna return out p. Out p equals, or plus equals g dot. So g divided by equals 60 for minutes. G percent equals 60. No. Am I remembering? Is it the other way around? No, wait, it's the other way around. It's the other way around, isn't it? This and divide. And then I have to do 6, so that's minutes. So 60 times 60 is 360 for hours. So M plus H. So that's hours. Now days would be another times 24 on that, which is this amount. And then weeks, wait, sorry, that's days, and then weeks will be times 7. I don't think I should go above weeks, to be honest. Anyway. This group chat that I'm in is very suspicious and strange. Reddit's r/play song. Will I fucking exist? So that's time to read. That should probably work. And then why do you? Oh fucking hell! I've included system.
Yes, I'm aware that you don't like it when I use system. Oh, system.numerics? You not like this either. What? 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 No way this is in systems collections generic. No. What? Oh, using system I need. It's system the other one that I don't need. Okay. So wait, can I just do system numerics? Why do I need to specify system.numerics? I'm already using system. Whatever. Mm-hmm. I just realized.
Oiler's identity retreated up north because it got overtaken by the heroes of the storm. Starry Night survived the fight in Go.bmp, and the stones achieved nirvana.
So I've got this time to read function. I'm gonna need to this is gonna be another one in Extrum data. So instance dot time to read. Right? Maybe?
Then everything changed as a new force emerged.
Well,
Its objective was simple, that all colors be purged. These users spread darkness.
wasn't expecting that. It's just saying 0.
And everyone was annoyed. No symbol was spared by these griefers and trolls.
Why is that? Random functions.
By indifferent black holes. The lurkers all asked, is this
Hmm.
the end of our place? The answer
It should be mod equals. Oh, this is divide by equals, bro. Don't you just hate it when you accidentally divide by equals instead of divide? So it was actually dividing it when it shouldn't have? Also, it shouldn't display this data unless it can, technically. It shouldn't need to display the hours and the weeks and whatever. Like, it doesn't need to say 0 weeks, 0 days, 0. It just needs to say 59 seconds, right? So, if g divided by this is greater than 0, eight. Alright. There you go. Now it should only show the necessary data. The Yamaha acoustic guitar. Man's being real acoustic right now. Profile. Yeah, now it says the actual, like, relevant time. And then I can do essentially the same thing, but in a different way. So, gamer. This will require some extra logic to figure out, but you'll see what I mean. So, where is Textrum data? This, except it needs game time played, I think. I think that's what I called it, game time played? Yeah, game time played. So, game time played is a bit more interesting because of what I need to do. So, public int game time equals -1, right? So game time is -1. So fixed update bool can update my sex equals false. I don't know what this means, by the way. So we're gonna have some separate stuff going on here. So if it can update my... No. Alright. Let's say it's false by default. So it won't run. It'll only run if game state equals game. So if you go to the game... They played Fortnite. That's nice on the Vegas sphere. I don't know how recent that comment is. I'm gonna be honest. I've been kind of engrossed in this. Oh my god, people.
Wix is your platform to perform on.
Hello, Peter. Welcome to Fortnite. Hello, Bruce. Welcome to the stream. I don't know. So it should flip this over. Okay, move my 6 equals true. And then game time equals random functions dot instance dot get Unix time. Weird song. I didn't know that Wix was the I do love Wix. I do love consuming content. So then if it's not game, it flips back. And and then I need to essentially yoink the exact same data from save system as well. Where is it? Here. Gamer. Same thing, except it's just game time played. So game time played should always be less than time played. Just to clarify. It should always be less because you can always have time outside the game. Or you can always have time outside of matches, but you can never, but every time you're in the match, you're also in the program itself. So time played should, in theory, always be greater than game time played. So now I can go, like, play a game or something, right? And I'm like, oh, damn, I'm in the game. I'm in the game. I don't know how long I'm going to be in it. I'm going to wait for it to be at least 10 seconds. I'm looking at a thing on the bottom right for when 10 seconds pass. It'll definitely be greater than 10 seconds because it's not exactly. All right, 10 seconds. So I close this. I go to the profile. Boom, there you go. 15-second game played. That's all working. The only thing not currently working right now is the title itself, which, you know, I got to make a custom thing for. So, whatever. I'm chill with that so far. How long have I been going, by the way? Hour 48? That's not bad. Can you make a build and we 1v1? I can, actually, yes. On stream, I can, actually, yes. Build and run. I'm not gonna bother compressing this into an exe file for you, so, that's cool. I actually listed you as a tester in preparation for this exact moment, by the way. I am able to predict the future, and, that's how good I am. You want a call as well? Maybe. A ringing.
Ringing. When? Swisker said tournament when?
Tournament when?
Running Umbra tournament.
Honestly, I don't know.
Put up posters for it at school. Just baller posters that say Umbra tournament.
Well, to be fair, I was planning on doing this in Hacking Club whenever I get the game done.
What the hell is Hacking Club?
There's a Hacking Club at our school, and I was like, wouldn't it be funny if I made a game for that? And that was kind of how the actual project started. Or that's like my motivation behind starting. Thank you.
RoboQuest demo is somehow in my... I don't even remember downloading it.
Alright.
Or maybe I did it download. I don't know.
Whenever the tournament gets forklift certified roll. Ooh, I don't know if I can. I don't know if I can. If I can give people that. I can make that a title though. I can make that a title. Where's my list of titles? Forklift certified. That's a new title. You can't change your title currently because I haven't made that. That's the one thing I haven't done from the profile data. So anyway, I have the build now, so I can go to UGame builds. I think it's in Gadir temp. I'm just gonna send you a send to compressed zip folder, so you get the sussy version of the game. It's not built, or it's built. It's just not like an actual exe file. I'm gonna create a duplicate of Gadir temp just so I can
potentially dangerous download.
It is pretty.
What are you sending me, Milo?
I don't know. Umbra Bruce build.
Gadir temp. Gadir.exe. Just run.
Yeah. Oh, Gadir too.
Yeah. I have to extract all.
You can see the oh, that's a problem. That's a problem. You can see the stream. You can see my cards. Ooh.
No. I'll close your stream. I'll just close your stream.
79B. That's the code.
Fucking get the game working.
Okay.
I had to extract it, so now I can actually open it. I will.
My name is PP.
I'll just pause your stream. Why does it look like there's a big gray filter over everything but the blue lines in the title?
What?
It looks like there's just a gray filter over most of the screen.
There is the color gray?
Like,
what do you mean a gray filter?
Like, it's making some of the text kind of hard to read in the buttons.
What are you
like
talking?
The question marks? Unless I hover over it, it's
okay.
like
Those ones because they're disabled. They're not. You're not allowed to. You can't click those.
Well, shop those are disabled.
No,
but
the
like
ones that are dark
everything-
you can't click.
Also, the ballers are like not bright enough. So, like, it just looks a little gray.
Well, I know the ballers are dark. They're meant
Maybe
to not
like
distract
make the buttons.
Actually,
But
I would like
also,
to. I would like to demonstrate this actually on stream. That from Bruce's perspective, he can see the ballers on the side of his screen, which is pretty great. Good to see that feature is coming in use.
And like, cause like the gray, just solid, the gray rectangle, that's the background. Like it gets dark towards the edges. It just kind of like blends in a little. I don't know. I feel like you should make the buttons stand out a little bit more from the background.
Maybe. That I definitely can do.
Okay, so let's regulate our decks. Like let's limit it to a certain number of cards.
Well, I don't think you have 3 of the cards unlocked, so.
I do not. What are those 3 cards?
Piercer, Mimic, and Attack with the Rubble.
Okay, so you're not allowed to use those.
Yeah, those are the 3 cards that I've added that are unique to this game.
What's like a? I don't have too much knowledge about this. So like, what's a good number of cards that we should have?
I don't fucking know, man. This has a few changes from the original Gadir, like cards have an energy cost, and you get 5 energy per round.
Let's just go like 15 to 20.
Are you aware of what the colors mean?
A little bit. The green means you get to go again.
Yep.
I'm not entirely sure what yellow. Well, purple clearly just looks like it's a wall.
I'll go over these. Purple is stuff that when destroyed becomes rubble. Red is stuff that attacks, or like things that can be activated to attack. Yellow is things that activate attacking things, and blue is things that are heavy, meaning you lose a turn, which is a bit of a complex thing, but yeah, whatever. You lose a turn, essentially. Actually, I've never tested if Earthquake works, now that I think about it. I don't think it does.
What? It doesn't break stuff.
Well, it might. I don't know. I'm gonna be honest. I've never tested it. I'm just saying I don't think it works. So that's interesting. I don't have so. So I just need to add some cards now.
How many cards is this?
I have a legal deck.
Oh wait. What makes something an offensive card?
The red or yellow?
Not Or red and yellow. Okay.
I think they're both listed. Yeah. I have a valid deck. I'm gonna name it Sucky Ball Toes. I love Sucky Ball Toes. So that code that I sent you is no longer valid.
I think my deck name is better.
Um,
I like my deck name better, Milo.
you like
You
your
know what it is?
no?
Suckier Baltos.
Whoa.
Okay,
Calm
go.
down there, buddy.
Give
Let
me
me
code.
Yeah, I'm starting a multiplayer game right now. Very similar. 86 D7. 7. There you go.
Okay. C 86 T.
You can just copy and paste it. Yeah.
I am doing that. I'm like terrible at this probably. Hand size 3.
Hand size 3. Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
You can change. So I haven't polished the main
Wait,
menu.
Which one of us is penis golf?
Oh, that's me. What do you mean? Which one of us?
I remember when we played the other builds, I named myself something like that. I didn't know if it saved.
No. I've added the universal stuff between then. Currently, I am in control. You can set those stuff. It just gets overwritten by whatever I have. I gotta change it so you can't do it.
Decks, hand size 3.
I'm gonna make it
Why is
just
there
the
just
default
a box
settings.
that has nothing in it?
That's because this menu is actually a duplicate of another one, or more specifically, that's in the single player menu. There would be the AI difficulty selecting thing.
Right.
It just doesn't appear in multiplayer. Anyway, don't click play game. I know you can. Don't. It'll break it.
Suckier Balto. You're getting suckier Balto.
Anyway,
well, Mr.
the AI deck doesn't do anything. So, if you're ready, I'm gonna start the game in 3, 2, 1. Now I think I move first as host. So have a wall.
Screen sharing. I am.
I think you are, but I'm not looking at it.
You have a wall.
I have a wall.
New hand. Yeah.
You did not play new hand.
I know.
You said new hand and then proceeded to not
That's a
play.
joke. Why would I play new hand?
I will. I'm gonna get bumfucked by your play here because you're gonna do like a double shot or something, and you discard it. You put another cannon. Pretty bold. What a bold play, bro.
Can I escape to exit? Give me that.
Ah. But what if?
Oh fuck! What the hell?
What?
Why did you have like 4 attacks?
I used double shot, double
buddy.
shot, and then attack.
Give me a 1x1 there.
Don't attack,
give me
please.
a 1x1 there. Give me a discard of.
I feel like I need to have some kind of visual indicator for how much health things have.
That.
'Cause I know how much health they have, but they
Give me a
look
rebuild
visually the
core.
same as when they're at full.
Just give me a double shot.
Yeah, it's gonna destroy it.
And then give me a 1x1 wall.
How many play again things
Give
do
me
you
a
have?
1x1 wall, and then I'll discard reconstruction, and then give me a 1x1 wall there.
Wait. What
And
is your...
finally, wall attack. Why can I not attack?
Yeah, I was just saying, I think that's not working. Currently, I see not that. Wait, what cards did you play?
1x1 wall, double shot, discard, core rebuild.
I did not see the core rebuild. That's fun.
What's my health right now for you?
90.
Yeah, mine's 90.
Oh, maybe I did.
Because you hit me for 15 and then I healed 5.
Interesting. That's cool. Wait, it's my move right now. What?
I hit skip turn.
Oh. For me, you are you don't have that many. How many 1x1 walls do you have in front of my cannon?
3.
Oh, there's only 2 for me. That's suspicious.
Attack and see what happens.
Well, it's gonna break the first one. I don't have any other ones, so I think it's broken right now.
It looks like a wiener. With like the no central ball.
I Do not. No central ball?
Attack.
I think somewhere along the line, you can tell it's still very. I did not mean to click skip turn. Well, I have a bunch of energy now. That's cool.
This is sick. We're just gonna go cannon up there.
I meant to do new hand so that I could try and get some attacking cards, but I have like no attacking cards.
Just give me like.
I want to see what happens when.
One wall.
Okay, buddy. I wanted to see what
I'll
happens.
rebuild my core a little further and then attack.
Yeah, you have -2 energy for me right now, so it's working perfectly.
Oh yeah, what the fuck is energy?
Energy is like a thing I added to help balance some cards.
I have 1 energy.
How? I have, for me it says -2, so yeah, I think some stuff definitely is working
I
properly.
don't even know how that would happen because on my screen I've placed more cards.
Yeah, I don't know. That you can tell I've tested it a lot. I've done some rigorous testing on this game.
Wait, does does getting a new turn give you more energy?
Yes.
Does using the new turn cards give you more energy?
It shouldn't.
Okay, I don't know. We're gonna discard a 3x1 wall. Rebuild the core. Slap a 1x2.
What the fuck?
What?
When you did rebuild core, it ended your turn.
No, it didn't.
For me, it did. Why?
I just placed down a wall. Now it's your turn.
That's it, alright. That's the problem.
It is rebuild core.
Rebuild core ends your turn for some reason.
But not for me.
Wow, this game's working perfectly. Well.
Go.
Alright.
Cannon. I'll take a double shot, then I'll take an. I can't fucking. Okay. Well, sick.
What?
I can't click anything. I think double shot might stop you from pressing anything or something. Oh wait, no, I don't have enough energy. That's why. Okay.
Yeah, I know of multiple.
1x2 wall.
The energy thing is something I'm planning on adding, which is to actually visually show you that you don't have enough.
Do that now.
Oh no, I am getting kind of low in health, which is pretty fun.
1x1 wall.
Get rid of that. Actually, get rid of that. Actually, get rid of that.
Why do you have so many? Ah. Oh, you lost. Oh wait, no. What? There was an invisible ball.
That was invisible. What do you mean it was invisible?
There was no wall there on my screen on the bottom.
I think there might have been, because you would have won, because that's client side, right? Could you play an old build of the game against someone an updated version of the game? That's a good question. I don't know. That's a great question, Source.
No. Why do you have 9,000 play again cards? New hand. All right. If you have a double shot, then I'd be dead. We're just gonna go with a 1x1 there.
Aw. Well, wait, how much health are you at right now on your screen?
55.
Oh. Wait, what? For me, you're at 10.
What? You're at 10 for me.
Well, I'm at 10, yeah. But
I have 55 health. How do I have 10 for you?
Did you happen to play Core Rebirth at some point?
No, that's not in my deck.
Oh, it must be the fucking walls that exist. It must be the walls that exist on your screen, but
invisible
don't on
walls
mine.
on that second to bottom row.
Well,
we're
if the
gonna
wall
pull...
if the wall isn't there, they can't collide with it.
I can't. Oh, why does Earthquake cost 15 energy?
Because it's insane.
You said it doesn't even work.
I said it might not work. I've never tested it in multiplayer.
It's your turn. Let's see if I die here.
Why would you die?
Because you said I have 10 health.
Yeah, well, for me it says victory, but I know that it's not over for you.
No, I still have 40.
Yeah, what if I just click this button, though?
I'm in my home screen.
Yeah. I just...
Perfect.
Perfect game. Perfect game.
Yay.
You can see how well it's working.
Yup.
This is what? Stream number 3 of working on multiplayer? And yeah, this is definitely still broken. It was literally earlier this stream that I fixed the play again card, or the new hand card from not completely breaking the game. So, that was cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Bruce, you know what's cool? You go to the credits menu, your name in there actually makes sense now.
What? What is it?
In the
Cringe
testers.
there. I closed the game.
Oh, I'm streaming. But
Oh,
I can
you
also...
are streaming. I closed that. Reopen.
I can also screen share. I can do both.
Oh my god, I'm Aiden Manning.
Yeah, Ben's Aiden Manning. Actually, he's Ox. He's the developer.
Yeah, no. Aiden Manning is Ox, but I'm Aiden Manning. You're
Making you-
Grimlar, and Dylan is Lord Umer.
Yeah, exactly. Well, Dylan's Lord Umaret. I forgot to put the S in there.
Yeah, except no. Dylan is like this is a gender doesn't. You shouldn't be discriminating based on gender. Man.
That's his name. It's not,
Yeah,
it's
a
not
girl
gender
can have a
discrimination. It's
traditionally
actually the
boy
opposite
name.
of gender discrimination to actually put it in there, because it's correctly identifying it.
No, but maybe they want to be Lord Umer. Maybe it's like a girl could have a traditionally boyish name.
Their name is literally Lord Umaret. I'm just listing what their name is.
That's what like homophobic or transphobic people just say to people who change their name. Milo, are you trying to be like them?
Yes, actually, that's
it's like, wow. Well, Ella's name is really Dan.
Damn.
Dan.
How much more consistent do I have to be to get in the credits? You have to be pretty damn consistent. Source is the
Bro's
most
name
consistent.
is literally eject2629. Bro
I
actually named himself Tickletoot.
Homie for real? No, I think he changed it. Or did he change it back?
Oh well, if he changed it off, that's even worse.
If you change it off of
No,
Tickletoot,
it's eject. What a loser.
I gotta check this for myself. This is treason of the highest degree. Oh my god, it's eject. I can't be friends with this guy. I can't be friends with him. He's not Tickletoot.
Just like in the credits, add treasonist. Eject 2629.
The most treasonous person I know. I don't know.
Treasonist traitor.
I don't think the buttons are too bad in terms of readability. At least the ones that you can actually click, not the ones that you can't click because I haven't added them. I mean, I could just make the text of the thing brighter, I guess, but I don't really see much of a need to.
I would rather like. I feel like the outline of the box should be darker than the inside of the box. Because I feel like
It
if
is. Oh wait, no, it's lighter. Wait, why would it? Well, it lights up, you know.
I know, but like I feel like it just that like helps it try to blend into the background a little bit because it goes dark to slightly less dark to slightly less dark. But if
I
it went
guess.
light dark
Then
light,
it would be then it'd be light, then dark, then less dark.
Yeah. So like it'd pretty much be light gray dark, light gray black, light gray, which is more of like a stark contrast that helps you pick
So
out
it
the
would break
buttons
up the
more.
menu more.
See.
Hmm.
And like give more. It'd be nice for people who are like colorblind and can barely see, because there's gonna be lots of them playing your game.
That's how color blindness works.
I mean, it could if their eyes are like they have cataracts or something.
Yeah. I mean, if they just can't see, then you know.
What?
Also,
Risk of Brain 2 Steam Awards.
Risk of Rain 2 Steam Awards. Where?
Nominate us Labor of Love.
That's in Roar Returns, isn't it?
No.
That definitely is in this one.
Oh, it's no. Roar Returns is better with friends. Risk of Rain is Labor of Love.
They did it for different ones? I didn't notice that they did it for two different ones. Wait a minute. Catcraft has got Risk of Rain 2?
Yeah, they've had that for a while. What are you talking about?
They achieved Keyed Up and Warrior and a bunch of other achievements on November 24th. I didn't realize they bought it.
With Catcraft on Steam.
I am. How many hours do they have? They have 4. They have 4 hours total. This is great. This is amazing. This is top tier. I haven't actually spoken to Catcraft in quite a while. Can you unprivate your games list, by the way? No. The answer is no. I can, except that once as a joke for eject, I played a game and now it's permanently stained my profile. And yeah, I'm not ever unpriving it, probably. Oh my god, that's a few things to check in. Alright. Yeah, it's pretty cool, this. I did, Saurus. That's the problem. It stayed. It stayed with me. It's there forever. I don't know if I ever can remove it. Can you? I don't fucking know. Can you remove games from your profile? I'm fairly certain like in my library, it's not here. It's not here anymore. It's gone. But in my if you go to my activity, I think it is. No, not activity. Games. And then all games. Oh yeah, Roar 2. It stained him more than November 13th. It did. What was the I don't even remember what it was. It's got to be down here. I don't even fucking remember what the game was. Wait, is it on here anymore? Wait, I just realized it's not here anymore. Never mind. We're all good. That's a W actually. Unless I scrolled over it and didn't even realize. Hitler Loves Anime W game. No, it's just actually got that's a W. Wait, maybe it was maybe I'm thinking of something else, but I definitely remember it being still in here. No. Alright. We're good. That is a game that perfect games. Oh, or 2. I'm just shy of 150 hours. That's sad. Profile. How do I unprivate games? I remembered I definitely did private it. Settings. Game details. Public. My games are now public. Wee. Ball sucker approaches. How is becoming Wheat 99 level 25, bro? And he only has a 6 years of service. What now? POV, it was hiding. Bro, if it comes back to haunt me, I'm gonna cry. I don't see it in here. I don't even honestly remember what it was called. But I don't see it in here.
What are you talking about?
A suspicious game that I played as a joke, and then I what?
Can bro even make orange rhyme with banana?
No.
Boring.
Actually, wait, what was that? What was that stupid like hentai game that I put on my wish list?
Hitler Loves Anime.
No, it was Udong the Udong in
the
interspecies
whatever.
Not interspecies reviewers, different thing. It's Udong in interspecies cave.
Look up at
Suspicious.
Is it Orc Massage or something?
Oh my god, Orc Massage, bro. Also Lewd Gym, top tier game, by the way, top tier game.
My friend at school showed me Orc Massage. He pulled it up on his computer in the middle of math class and showed it to everyone.
For real, bro. I gotta get this game, top tier. Players like you love this game. This game's great. I'm not buying Ape War. Ever. This, I'm not buying it.
Peggy 16.
Gaming.
Let's play Gatekeeper Infinity.
Gatekeeper Infinity is kind of a W. I'm just gonna make sure all this is saved. I'm pretty much done with game dev for today.
Let's play Overwatch 2.
No, I'm not playing that game ever. Ever again. You forced me to play it that one time, never again. It was awful.
I didn't force you to play it.
Yes, you did.
The laws of nature did.
Are you calling yourself the laws of nature?
It's the laws of reciprocation.
I mean, yeah, Overwatch 2, hell yeah, Source. I fucking hated that game.
You didn't even, like, seem to dislike it at all. You, like, actually had some fun
Boost.
while we were playing it
he's
together.
talking about you. No. I really did not enjoy it that much. There were some parts that I did like. There were also quite a bit of parts I did not like.
When we were just, like, absolutely destroying people and you played, like, Lucio, bro, you were, like, laughing and, like, having fun and shit.
I think you might be confusing that with Paladins.
No.
Paladins is just like if Overwatch wasn't bad.
But you had fun with, like, me, Jamie, and Dan.
A bit.
Sometimes when you were playing Lucio and, like, bouncing off walls and killing people.
Yeah, I'm not denying that I had a bit of fun playing the game. But I'm also saying I had more negative experience with the game than I did positive.
Oh, if you're not having a lot of negative experiences with a game, is it really a game? I mean, like, life only has meaning. The joys of life only have meaning because of the negatives.
Why is Jack saying Giles play Heretic? You want me to boot up Risk of Rain 2 to then get Heretic to then play with Heretic?
How about we don't do that?
What if I play instead like...
Idle Research?
I love Idle Research. What if I play like Deadlink? W game.
No. Play FPS chess.
I love FPS. Do I even still have that installed?
Play Temperia Soul of Majestic.
Isn't that free?
I think so.
I love
Have 2
Temperia
minutes.
Soul of Majestic.
One-armed cook.
I'm not seeing it. Maybe I'm blind.
Impact point. Impact point.
Oh, it is in here. I just don't have it. I don't have it installed. I do have it on my profile though.
Let's play it.
Leaf Blower Revolution 1v1.
No, let's play Temperia Soul of Majestic.
What even actually is Temperia Soul of Majestic?
I'm not even sure. I think it's a turn-based game.
Temperia Soul of Majestic. Oh, it's the Skylanders ripoff game.
It is?
It's Skystones.
Oh. You sure?
Yes, have you never seen Skystones? We've had this conversation before.
I know what Skystones is, but yeah, it's like a grid that you put things in.
Nah, that's literally Skystones.
Yeah, I know. Closing.
It's just like how Umbra is literally Walls of Gadir.
I think Gadir is better.
Play...
And by Gadir, I mean Gadir too.
Yeah. Play Click the 10 in Steam and try to beat it. It will make this a 6-hour stream. For real.
Spellcast demo.
I'm so good at this. I just dashed into a wall. Punch. I've been playing Deadlink recently. Honestly, a pretty good game.
Oh, Winker shooter. Why is Idle Research in my favorites?
That is a good question. I just missed that dude like many times with that. I did not need to stun him and then teleport.
I forgot Dylan gifted me Portal like a year or 2 ago.
Yeah.
And I still haven't installed it. You got
Will
me
you
Portal
ever?
2 as well. Probably not.
That's pretty great. Me play Portal? I think I also have Portal.
Brotato update queued. What is Steam Deck?
What is Steam Deck? That's a good question. What is Steam Deck?
Because apparently Brotato is being nominated for best game on Steam Deck.
It's like a kind of Switch competitor, but also kind of not. It's just like a mobile console. That's how I think of it.
What, Steam has a mobile console?
Yeah, the Steam Deck.
Literally never heard of it.
Really? Interesting.
Or I've heard the Steam Deck, but I didn't know it was a console. Huh.
Uh-oh. Okay, big boy here. No.
But Loki, like, that's not at all competing with the Switch.
I mean, at least to me, it's in the same exact market.
Yeah, but, like, the Switch is, like, one of the most successful game consoles of all time.
I mean, I don't mean directly competing with it. I mean, it's in, like, the same market as it.
Yeah, I know. But so is, like, the fucking Nokia.
What do you mean, so is the Nokia?
It's a mobile that probably has some
I just
games
missed
on
so
it.
many shots there.
Or, like, the PSP.
The PSP?
Which was actually really good. But, like, the DS or something. The Etch-a-Sketch.
I love the Etch-a-Sketch, bro. Honestly, best console.
You can make whatever game you want. You just have to use your imagination.
Shell upgrade, mini tech, heavy gun. I'll do shell.
This game seems interesting.
What?
Fuck, I have to deactivate it. Can you make a private server of this?
You in
It's a game
Roblox?
called... Yeah.
The PSP crawled so the Switch could try a 100-meter race and fall and die at the 79-meter mark. Rose got no chill.
Bro, why is saying the Switch, like, died?
It did not.
Best-selling video game consoles.
The Wii? Probably.
Number 1 is the PS2, I know that for a fact.
Oh, okay.
It
I
goes
mean,
PS2, Nintendo DS, Nintendo Switch, then Game Boy, Game Boy Color.
Really? I would have imagined the
PS4.
Wii would have been way higher.
The Wii is number 7.
The Wii's a classic.
Wii is the classic. So it's my goat. Also, because, like, the Wii came out, like, 1 year before I was born, and, like, a couple days before you were born.
Yep.
That perfect time.
Mm-hmm.
The Xbox One is, like, it dropped to, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Movement speed
10,
or...
11, 12, 13. The Xbox One is 14.
Oh, I'm very slow.
Still higher than the PS5, though. Xbox X is still doing it. The Wii U, bro, that was terrible.
Did anyone get the Wii U?
I know a few people that did.
I didn't.
There was like some chill games on it, but overall it was so much worse than the Wii. It tried to be the OG Switch because it had like you could take it out of the thing and use it as a handheld console, but it just sucked. Like how the only things near the top are just Nintendo, Sony, Microsoft.
I move so slow.
Where's the first console that's not Nintendo, Sony, or Microsoft? Sega Genesis. Then right after that's the Atari 2600. The Oculus Quest 2 is climbing its way up.
I mean, yeah, it's a really like it's just like a solid piece of hardware. I mean, it's not like the greatest, but
It's like the only VR. No, sorry. It's one of 2 VR headsets on this entire list.
well, I mean, it's incredibly popular.
The other VR headset's just the Oculus Quest.
Yeah.
Which is like, it's estimated to have like just under 1 million sold. But the Quest 2 has about 20 million sold.
One more combat encounter and I can exist.
What the fuck is the Dendy?
The Dendy.
By Micro Genius.
That's a good question. I don't know.
It's got more sales than the
Can I just...
and it's got more sales than the SNES. Or the Atari Lynx. No, make a private server for this Roblox game.
I'm not in that.
Get in Roblox.
Okay, there's a few enemies here. The 50% movement speed is genuinely
Are you
awful.
playing Deadlink?
Yes.
Are you still streaming?
Yeah. I told you I was playing Deadlink.
You didn't say that. You just said maybe I'll play Deadlink.
Deadlinked?
That's Deadlink.
With a D. Is nuts.
Yeah, it does start with a D.
Mm-hmm.
Ball sack.
Get this
stick
off me.
Calculator.
There we go.
Ball sack capacitator.
Ball sack capacitator.
Or it's capacitor, not capacitator.
I love calling it the Royal Capacitator.
Royal capsicum.
Royal Cum.
Yes. Couldn't even remember what capsicum is. It's a fruit, right?
Mm.
Oh, it's a. Oh, it's a
What?
bell pepper. It's like the Brit. I think it's the British word for bell pepper.
Initializing Wattsrucker. Wattsrucker. Uh-oh.
Rose Watts ruckering and he failed.
I need to get the thing that increases... Wait, do I actually have that? The thing that increases my gun damage by 30%? I got something. I don't know if I have the implant for it, though. Oh, that just got rid of all of my fucking shield. Okay, buddy. Okay. Oof. I've always rolled bad on these. 75 credits. Alright. Not worth it at all, but interesting. I'm so good at this. I just missed like 4 times. A few more than 4. I'm running out of space. I gotta get a shop. There's a slam dude somewhere, I bet. Oof, alright.
I just completely hit myself with that grenade and missed the enemy. Okay, up there. Stop. And I sometimes shoot homing shots. I think. Yep. I'm just so good. There's a slam dude. Implant this way. For critical electric damage to be tripled. Oh, this guy again. Oof. Grenades are disabled or reload speed is twice as slow for 4 things. But I get so much more money. Oh yeah, that's not exaggerating. I might have made a mistake with that. Considering there's a boss up next soon. XP or token? Definitely token. Eh. Okay, buddy. Shield dude. Danger zone. This is gonna be fun. Not. I'm probably dead here. Especially if I just miss.
Get in this game. It actually looks cool.
I am playing a game. Look, man,
Okay,
if I die, I'll head over to it.
So I gotta make a cold drill.
God damn, that is a lot of damage. Almost dead, honestly. Head over to the Roblox game that Bruce keeps trying to get me to join. The resolution died. Oh, that's sad. The slow reload speed is killing me, man. I'm gonna die as soon as I step out of this place. Because it's always as soon as I get to the third area, I always take a shit ton of damage and then heal it back. But that means that I'm gonna take a shit ton of damage. And I don't have that much health right now. No, I'm good. Okay. Didn't mean to stand next to that when it exploded. Okay, buddy. Just the next area. Ayo, buddy. Jesus, there's quite a few enemies here. Oh, not one of these. These take so long to kill. Especially if he just deadass kills me, too. Implant. Oh, there we go. Normal reload speed. Might still be fucked here, but... Didn't mean to throw that there. I can't even see the enemies that are dying. Didn't mean to get hit by that. Boom. Next area is this way. Drop the elevator. Am I just playing a run of Deadlink? Yeah, probably, but it's neat. I could probably analyze like some of the game's decisions that it makes that I think are really good, actually. What the game incentivizes doing is getting like up close to enemies by essentially having them drop these like these cool things. They incentivize using your skills to make things vulnerable like this, which then heal you. It's an interesting mechanic, which I think might be slightly inspired by Ultra Kill, if I'm going to be honest. But it basically incentivizes you actually existing. That did count for that, yeah. It incentivizes using your skills to get close to enemies so that you can pick up the healing. It's honestly a good system. Okay. That is if I didn't just like, if I didn't cock up a lot. This thing has so much health though. No, I don't want to be near that. I know what I'm doing. I did not want to hit myself with that. Die! Where's the other dude? There he is. There's more? This will be the first implant I'll have to actually decide upon. Well, not much of a choice. I'll just take one and not use it. Should I roll this? I'll roll it. Yikes, trash. Could have used the healing. I want to get over to this thing. They're already healing everything. This is why I hate them. They can heal all the enemies up to full. There's not really a whole lot I can do about it until killing them, at least as far as I'm aware. They just out-heal my damage. Weapon mod, that'll be good. Oh, but shop too. Probably weapon mod. Didn't want to teleport to that. It's fine. I'm just really good at this. Oh my god, okay. How many of these are there, bro? Alright. Danger zone, I'm dead here. I can take another one. Peacekeeper parameters halved. No, those are not good. Not worth it. Yo, Bruce, you ready to watch me die on this boss here?
Yeah.
Get me up there. Where is it? It's not open. I killed it too fast. There it is. Yeah, let me up. Ooh, the lasers. That's fun. I don't want to be in the abyss. I'm not even sure what just happened there. That's that one dead. Where's the remaining part that I need to kill? Oh, it's still this. There we go. Alright, I did not die. That's kind of surprising, honestly. Kind of expected that I would. Me when cocking up. Femto, ha 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 ha, funny fun. It's just going from boss fight to boss. From boss fight to boss fight. Also sex club. Do I have to beat one of these? Mystery files. I've never seen this. I don't know what this is. I'll do it. Or is it just like, I don't know, give me something random? What? Where? What the? Okay. Okay, buddy. There's a few enemies. Oh, it's like a mini version of the boss, bro. Oh my god. Okay, this sucks, actually. I'm gonna die here. They just have a bunch of clones, so they just keep spawning everywhere. Yeah. Alright, that was neat. Well, you have a game that you wanted me to make a private server on? Brucey? Oh, no, he's gone. Pip. What a sad gamer. I can pee. Dead link upgrades? I mean, like, this is an interesting thing, but I'm just gonna close the game. Banana. Well, that was an interesting stream where I also played for the remaining, like, 40 minutes. Anyway. I am pretty good, though, so... I'm good with game dev third today. I think I did alright. Although, I definitely discovered some shit I need to do. So, yeah. Got my work cut out for me. Anyway, guys. I guess I'll see you later. Be it in the past, present, or future. Also, no, I'm not doing Risk of Rain 2 Heretic today. It's 9 p.m.